Halloween, the most enchanting night of the year. The veil between the living and the spirit world grows thin.
And that was ChatGPT speaking like a vampire. And if you can't tell, I am super excited for this video. And I think ChatGPT is as well. Today we're going to be going through 10 ways to use ChatGPT to plan the ultimate Halloween. And these aren't going to be just some basic prompts for costumes and recipes. No. In this video, we're going to be conjuring the dead. We're going to be preparing for a zombie apocalypse, learning to cast magic spells, and a lot more. But the skills that you learn with these Halloween projects aren't just for one night of frights. It's a great way to learn and teach your family about how to use this powerful new AI technology. After I walk you through these 10 ChatGPT projects, I'm going to show you a few other AI tools that'll make Halloween even better. And finally, I'm going to show you a checklist for how to put all these puzzle pieces together and plan your ultimate Halloween. Let's get into it. Kicking it off with haunted history tours. You can use ChatGPT to research local legends and mysterious events in your area. Then ask it to map out a route of all these eerie locations and supply you with chilling tales at each one. I'm going to come back to this one as I've got some other ideas to make this even better when we get to the other AI tools section. Next, you can use ChatGPT to create a hyper-personalized murder mystery dinner. Use it to brainstorm themes and plots that are deeply personalized to your specific guests. Ask it to help you write character-specific clues, timelines, and plot twists that'll really resonate with your guests specifically, perhaps based on memories you've all shared together.
That's how we party in Transylvania.
Now on to creating escape room experiences in your own home. You can work with ChatGPT to figure out which room in your house would be best for an escape room. Then ask it to help you pick a narrative, a puzzle flow, then work on individual puzzles, and maybe one final challenge at the end. Then you can watch your friends and family race the clock as they try to escape. Now those are all fun and games, but now it's time to get really freaky. We're going to design a zombie apocalypse survival skills training. Use it to create hands-on challenges, craft a compelling storyline, and build an atmosphere that's equal parts educational and thrilling. Number 5, a virtual seance with quirky historical figures. Use the advanced voice mode to contact amusing historical figures for a night of supernatural hilarity. Can you please play the role of Mary Shelley, author of Frankenstein, so we can conduct a humorous Halloween historical seance? Most importantly, please stay in character until I tell you to stop.
Of course, I shall channel the spirit of Mary Shelley for this delightful Halloween seance. Good evening, dear guests. It is I, Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley, joining you from the beyond. What curious tales shall we share on this eerie eve? Perhaps a ghost story or a discussion on the ethics of creating life.
I'm wondering what's scarier. Is it Frankenstein or reality TV?
An intriguing question indeed. In my time, the notion of reanimating the dead was the epitome of horror, a grim reflection on man's hubris. However, having glimpsed the future, I find the spectacle of reality TV equally terrifying, a monstrous creation of a different sort, reflecting society's darker fascinations. So, which is scarier? Perhaps it depends on what frightens you more, the unknown depths of science or the bizarre antics of humanity.
On to number 6, you can organize a spooky outdoor treasure hunt and use the AI to help you brainstorm ideas, plan routes, and figure out what treasures to hide. You can also use it to help you create eerie clues and other plot twists here. Number 7, the DIY haunted house workshop. Gather some folks together and use the AI to learn traditional scare techniques, prop making, sound effects, and lighting effects for the ultimate haunted house. And now I want to blast out of this world entirely. How about an alien contact simulation? Use ChatGPT to design a new alien species and create a first contact scenario. You can then use the AI to help you challenge the participants as they navigate interstellar diplomacy and other cosmic conundrums. And now for a few advanced ideas. You can use the AI to develop a game that explores global Halloween traditions. ChatGPT is really good with fleshing out full games. You can use it to design different quests and even virtually try to visit these different cultures. It's kind of like trick-or-treating across time and space. And what about Arduino and Raspberry Pi and other different DIY electronic projects? You can use the AI to brainstorm project ideas, develop specifications, and even write the code you need to get freaky. This can be tailored to all different levels. And finally, why not use this opportunity to learn a little bit of tarot, palm reading, magic, mentalism, or even hypnotism? I've got a video all about learning skills fast. I'm going to link to that now to see if you can't pick up a little bit of magic or mysticism as you head into Halloween. If you're new to the Blazing Zebra channel, I want to welcome you and thank you for joining me on my mission of helping everyone I can learn how to use these powerful AI tools. I support this channel with Patreon. I've got a cheat sheet version of this video that has in-depth step-by-step for every project we went through. That's all available to my Patreon supporters. There's a link in the description, so check it out. All right, there are a few other AI tools that are going to make your Halloween even better. You can use Midjourney or Ideogram for custom pumpkin carving patterns or even designing other decorations. You can use Suno AI to create customized songs for your Halloween activities. Perhaps pair this with different plot twists in your murder mystery dinner. You might also want to check out 11 Labs for the haunted history tours. You can turn those haunted history tours into a podcast that you can listen to or share with your friends that they can put on their headphones as they cruise around your area on that haunted history tour. And finally, you might want to check out the video generation tool Runway ML. It can help you create some really ghostly projections. And now I want to jump into the cheat sheet for the ultimate Halloween planning checklist. You can start with just asking it all about a theme and budget, suggesting a few different ideas there, and then based on that, what decorations should you use, what costume ideas for you and your family, what are some activities? Can you put together a whole activity calendar using ChatGPT in one prompt? Treat planning, especially if you want that to plug into your theme. Party planning, we went through a lot of things that could plug into the party planning. Trick or treat planning if you're going out there with the kids. Halloween movie lists, Halloween music playlists, pumpkin carving designs, Halloween themed meals, community engagement ideas, Halloween safety plan. I've got a prompt here for that. Halloween arts and crafts. We went through a few of those with the Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and then a post-Halloween plan and next year's preview. So that's the ultimate checklist. I hope you got something out of this video. Again, I've got this cheat sheet available to all my Patreon supporters. There's a ton in here. For every project I went through, there is a list of 10 or more prompts to walk you through step by step every single thing that I talked about. So if you're getting something out of my videos, or if you want to really get in deep with some of these projects, please check out my Patreon and grab this cheat sheet, support this channel. And I've also got some AI coaching options in there as well. If you have not subscribed to Blazing Zebra, there has never been a better time than Halloween to subscribe to Blazing Zebra. I've got a lot of fun stuff coming along. And please drop me a line in the comments. Let me know what you're doing for Halloween and any ideas that you've come up with. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video, and happy Halloween!
Make your dreams come true!